Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the location on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are logged into your YouTube account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on Location from the drop-down menu. Now choose your location. Your location has been changed. To watch the trending videos on your location, click on Explore icon in the left sidebar. Now click on Trending. Here you can find all the trending videos based on your location. Try changing the location to view trending videos on that location. This is how you can change the location on YouTube. Thank you for watching.